is the 22nd of February 2023. We give God the glory that we promise the people of Ogugu, Ekworo, Ogo, and Wakama communities that we are going to construct this road. We flagged it off. Today we are commissioning. Promise made, promise fulfilled. Remember when Ogubolo came to see me, he requested for the reconstruction of a toll to Ogu Road. If you are driving past there now, you see that work is going on very well. That also is promise made, promise fulfilled. I have said it severally that our people deserve the best. I don't see why some communities will not be linked up with road. I'm sure the people of Wakama, you are very, very happy. Are you people happy? Wakama people, are you people happy? Bogo, are you people happy? Eboro, are you happy? Ogu, are you happy? You see, that is why we have always said we will not disappoint you. Everything we have told you in these 3 local governments, to the glory of God, shall be accomplished. As we were coming, I was so proud, I was so happy, I was highly elated. Some of us have never been to Wakama before, but because of this road, I'm able to reach Wakama. I thank God Almighty. So, having made my promise and fulfilled, I hope you will fulfill your own promise. Is it not true? On Saturday? On Saturday? Are you sure? You will do your own work to make us happy and make those people to be angry. Happiness is our own. Anger is their own. You want us to prepare them? Are you ready to prepare them? You prepare them on Saturday. I'm not hearing you well. Will you prepare them on Saturday? So I thank you very much.